Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Jurassic World Evolution 3 crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So here follow the fixes. The first fix includes step 1, 2, 3 and 4. And after following all the 4 steps, you can check if your problem is solved or not. However, you can also check if your problem is solved or not after following each step. So here are the steps. First step is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. So go to Xbox settings, click on system, click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Step 2 is to clear a Jurassic World Evolution 3's cache files. So press Xbox guide button, click on My Games and Apps and then click on See All. Look for Jurassic World Evolution 3 game and then highlight it. Then press Menu and select Manage Game and Add-ons. Click on Save Data, Reserve Space and then click on Clear Reserve Space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete the profile. Make sure you click Delete from console when deleting. Step 3. Clear persistent storage. Go to Xbox settings, go to Devices and Connections, Blu-ray. Click on persistent storage and then click on clear persistent storage. Now if you don't see these features in your Xbox consoles, then skip this step. Step 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. So go to Xbox settings, go to general network settings, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. After following all 4 steps, now launch Jurassic World Evolution 3 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 2 is to run Jurassic World Evolution 3 from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Jurassic World Evolution in the search bar and then click on it. Then click on launch game and then check. Fix 3, manually select port. So go to Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual. Click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5. Continue. Now restart your console and then check if the problem is solved or not. If not, then select the port one by one and see which one works for you. Fix 4 is to remove and re-add account. So go to Xbox settings, go to account, remove accounts. Select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now re-add your account. After adding your account, launch Jurassic World Evolution 3 and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings, in general tab select network settings, advanced settings. Go to DNS settings manual, enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and enter 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Now save it and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again repeat the process and this time in the primary DNS enter 1.1.1.1 and in secondary DNS enter 1.0.0.1 and then save it. Then relaunch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to reinstall Jurassic World Evolution 3. So if nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Jurassic World Evolution 3 from the Xbox console. Restart your Xbox console, then fresh reinstall Jurassic World Evolution 3 and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by this way you can easily solve Jurassic World Evolution 3 game, crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing issue, not loading or stuck on loading screen, or black screen problem on Xbox consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.